Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to activate your Starlink account quickly and easily. First, before we start, make sure you have your Starlink kit number or serial number ready. You can find this on your Starlink router or box. Open your browser. In the search bar, type Activate Starlink and press Enter. Click the first result, which will take you to starlink.com/activate. This is your activation page. Enter your Starlink identifier or kit number in the field provided. This is required for retail kits, third-party kits, or transfers of service. Double-check the information you entered, then tap Activate. And that's it. That's how to activate your Starlink account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.